So you might be in a situation where for some reason the top of your iPhone wallpaper is actually blurred. So if you go and actually look at your wallpaper, now you can see mine is not blurred, but if you were to go and kind of take a look at your wallpaper, or if you were creating a new wallpaper and the top portion is blurred, the reason for this is because iOS 17 has given this new capability of basically blurring the top portion of your wallpaper if you actually zoom in. So if you go and take a look at a specific wallpaper, sometimes it'll happen, sometimes it won't. But if I were to go ahead and add a new wallpaper, right? If you go and see basically what's going on, like let's say I have this wallpaper. If I go and actually just zoom in like this, it may start actually looking like your particular wallpaper at the top is going to start blurring. So if the top of your wallpaper is blurred, it's because you're actually zooming in just like that. You can see I just zoomed in and zoomed out. You can see it's going to start blurring the top of that wallpaper. So if for some reason that's happening, it's because you're basically zooming in or you're basically zooming out, and that's what you want to avoid. So what's going to end up happening is it's going to like randomly try to go ahead and kind of like generate some portion at the very top. So that is what you want to avoid doing, is basically scrolling at the top or the bottom of your particular wallpaper, because what's actually happening here is that it's generating the top portion of this wallpaper. So if you want to avoid that, you want to zoom down and you want to just make sure that is not basically the top portion of your wallpaper isn't actually zoomed in. Now, if you take a look at that wallpaper compared to the one I just had, you can see there's a big difference. So to fix this, do not zoom into your wallpaper, just keep it zoomed out, and that is the main way to go and fix this problem. So again, do not zoom into the top portion of your wallpaper, because if you do that, you can see how much more different this wallpaper looks like than the other wallpaper that I have, which is the actual one that I have right here, which is this one. So do not zoom into the top, just go ahead and basically just zoom out. If you're gonna zoom into the bottom portion, do not zoom into the top portion. So that's basically how it goes. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.